We listen, we understand, we make sure what we tell others also understand. Yes, we are teachers and we are there to serve for our students. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about teachers. I, being an assistant professor in a well-dignified college, this profession has taught me a lot as a person. I never ever wanted to be into this particular field. I've not even dreamt for a single second that I would be a best teacher. Growing up, we have many dreams. Even I had many dreams. My dream used to keep changing every semester or every year. But one thing was very much constant, that I want to do something that inspires the other person. So talking about what this profession has taught me. This profession has taught me a lot more things which has made me a better person. First thing I would like to tell is patience. My dad always used to tell me that you lack patience because you get angry very soon. But now it's completely opposite. It has given me a lot of patience how to deal with situation as the way it comes. Second thing, my every action is going to inspire other person who looks up to me, and that makes me much more responsible and much more clear and ambitious. So this is a noble profession that gives numerous opportunity to serve. And I've also learned how to accept criticism, because teachers are being trolled everywhere. Teachers are being trolled for taking attendance. Teachers are being trolled for taking online classes. Teachers are being trolled for being teachers. Every person on earth.
Online classes are so boring. This lady doesn't stop taking attendance. I hate her. This teacher doesn't know what to teach.
A science teacher who spent her lunch break in laboratory has made a scientist. A maths teacher who had a class full of students who are scared of maths had made a person a great mathematician. A history teacher who taught history in a cool way has made an IAS officer. So every person on this earth would have been inspired by many people, but their first inspiration would be their teacher. Right from girls wearing sari to become a teacher at a young age, from a man who's grown up and never forgets his teacher. So the final takeaway from this video is that whatever job you do, give your 100%. That will definitely give you a good return. Cheers, meet you next video. Bye bye.